Hey, how's it going? So, I'm a little thrashed. I've been stressed out because my van broke. But in theory, it's mostly fixed now. This is an unboxing video of some things I got via Amazon. They even gave me a month-long Prime, free Prime membership, which I probably won't continue. Although, if I have more people here and I'm ordering more things, it might be worth it. Currently, I don't have more people here. Let's see what I got and check it all out. This is my first box I got from Prime. Now you might wonder why I'm ordering things from Amazon instead of just buying them locally. Well, I live in a very rural place, so most things are not easily available, or what is often the case is that they're horrible quality. So this way I can actually shop for things I want. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is an exciting one. I'm trying to learn how to feed myself better. This is a, it says soy parilelo.mx. It's the website. I didn't actually know that was the name of the product. It's like opening up easily here. And this is flavorings for food. I have to figure out how to feed myself and make tasty food. And sometimes having spices are a good idea for that. Of course, growing your own food is the ideal. It looks like it's 6 little jars, and these will be reusable jars, of Sazonador. This is Rub del Norte. Sazonador Chipinque. I think that's a kind of Chile. Ultimate Black Rub. I think these are actually made to be meat rubs, things you put on to barbecue. I actually intend to use them with pasta and other things because I don't have a lot of meat to eat. This is Rub Rojo. And I can look at the ingredients on these later and figure out Rub de la Costa and figure out what ingredients they have and then make my own. So I can even refill these jars. This one is Sal del Mar, Ahumada, and Manzano. So sea salt, smoked in apple. I don't know if I paid too much for these things. You know, too much is relative. I'm experimenting with consumerism again and getting things at all. So I'm pretty happy I've got anything. But that's something to evaluate, and I'll be trying them out. And I would actually like to eat more meat again. I think meat's very healthy. The best way to eat meat is rabbit meat or eggs. Eggs are animal products, so it's not really meat, but you should have chickens for eggs and rabbits for meat. What do we got in here? It's pretty heavy. I'm also going to reuse all these boxes too. These are great boxes. Oh, this is a box of small notebooks. I use small notebooks all the time. I carry them around because I think sometimes I have good ideas and I don't want to lose them. The problem is I often don't go recheck those notebooks, so I should probably spend a couple of years just going through boxes of old notebooks. But these are nice, small, convenient ones. Not sure on the price if they make sense. These ones have no lines on them. But, you know, I could also give these away as gifts. Sometimes when it's Christmas season and there's the posadas, they have piñatas, and I wonder what to put in them. And so I could make a special Amazon wish list of things that I want to own to give away in piñatas as opposed to just candy. You know, candy's not the worst thing in the world, maybe, but it's not the best either. So these are a little thinner than I would like. I think these were about 10 pesos each, 50 cents or so. So I use notebooks normally a little bigger, but that's okay. I will evaluate those and see if they made sense to buy. See what's in this one here. All of these particular products were delivered by DHL, and I have had problems with things getting delivered by a different company, but as I order things, I'm sure that the delivery companies will learn where it is I want to get things delivered to, because I don't think most people order stuff out here. This is very useful. You know how laptops have mouse pads? They have little touchpad thingies, whatever the hell. I hate those. I can't use them that well. And my mouse broke because the puppies chewed through the cord. And so this is an Amazon Basics mouse, just a very simple USB mouse. I'm very happy to get that. I actually do have one more on the way, which is a USB 3 mouse, which hooks in better to the computer I have now, perhaps. But I'm not going to be mouseless again. No more mouselessness. Although I want to kill actual real mice that live in my house. They're disgusting. They're a disease risk. I got bats too. It's very annoying. This might be my other mouse, actually. Nope. This is a bunch of pairs of reading glasses. Somebody did give me reading glasses a while back. They were gotten at a thrift store, and they were fine, but they were just a little weak, you know. And so I'm hoping these ones are the right prescription. These ones are 2.5. I have some others that I ordered that are 2, number 2. Let's see if they work here. If I can find something to read. And this is so I can use my computer better. That's pretty good. So 2.5 is useful for reading for me. And that is, I think, 5 pairs. Yeah, 5 pairs of reading glasses. And that's going to be super handy. They're nice and big. Let's see what else we got. I am really thrashed, I tell you. Thrashiated. Oh, this is an especially interesting one. This is a product that says it is Sazonador Umani, flavoring that is umani flavored, which is kind of a fifth flavor or extra flavor rather than sweet, sour, salty, etc. It's actually MSG. I know MSG is controversial, but I got curious about it since I was already ordering things. Monosodium glutamate, I believe. And so I want to try it. I want to find out what its purpose is, and apparently it's not as bad for you as they first said. Yeah, monosodium glutamate. And it was super cheap. And I'm looking to figure out how to make flavorful foods, you know. So that's cool. Let's see what this one is. It's interesting the packaging varies so much. I don't know how they're making decisions over there at Amazon Mexico. All these things were from Amazon Mexico. I haven't ordered things from Amazon US because they often get caught up in customs. And I might do it in the future. There are big differences in the price between Amazon Mexico and Amazon US. But then you have to figure out the importation fee and if the transport fee is different. And so really you'd almost have to have a buyer examine that and really look at it. This is another set of reading glasses here. These ones are 2.0 in their prescription rating. So let's see what the difference is here. Let's find something to read. All right. So I look at this. And they come in all these colors. They're almost the same size. I like these better for a little bit further away. So the 2.5 might be a little strong for me, or not strong enough or something. I don't know how it all works. But it's for closer up. So I'll try both these out. Now, you might wonder, why would I order so many glasses? That seems nuts. Oh, these come with a little case too. That's cool. That's really great because I live in a very dirty, dusty place. Very cute glasses. I'll be using one of these pairs right away. I wonder if these came with a case. They did not. That's interesting. I'm not used to buying things. I haven't bought things for a long, long time. And so, you know, learning how to make shopping decisions is going to be interesting for me. But in this case, I really want these glasses bad. And I'll be trying these two pairs out. I guess these two pairs right here. They come in a variety of bright colors. That's nice. And so that's that. The last thing I got, which did not come via DHL, is this beautiful box right here. Starlink. This is going to change my life potentially. Just like being able to order Amazon things will change my life. Starlink is a connection to the internet that is going to be faster, more stable, etc. I'm not going to unbox it in this video because it's going to be more complicated. And I'm not even sure if I have enough solar panels to run a laptop and Starlink at the same time. But I know that anybody who comes here really wants to have internet. It's very important to them. So I need to figure out ways to have internet available. And also because I want to potentially work online and I want to be uploading videos and doing things. And so I need Starlink. Now this one was not sent by DHL. This was sent by Estafeta. I'm not sure the whole route that it took to get here. It was sent December 15th. It's now almost mid-January. Anyway, they don't normally deliver apparently to this town that's near me. It's 2 towns over. So they were confused. But well, that's cool. I gave them a map on Google too, and a local contact. Cool. So, but the point is, it did eventually get to me, and hopefully Estafeta will be able to deliver things in the future as well. That's my unboxing video. Not too exciting. Sorry about that. Just a little glimpse into my life.